I will never buy from StockX again.
Man, I'm gonna sound stupid.
Yes, and I'm gone. This is not a race. I just bought some racks here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and today we're going to be doing my sneaker collection part 2. For those of you who haven't seen the first one, I'm going to put it up in the iCards here and down below, so make sure to check that out so that you can see my first half, which is my Adidas Yeezy collection. And today is going to be my Nike Jordan collection. So I got cut out in my last one and I ran really over time, so this is going to be kind of that. I kind of wanted to mention that I wasn't really a big Nike person when I was in high school. I really wore a lot of Vans and Sperry's because I guess that's what I was feeling at the time. I was in crew, so Sperry's were good for the boat, and Vans, I just liked them a lot. So this is a more recent thing that I got into, like Jordans and whatnot. That was like in the past couple of years, and I really like them. So please enjoy what I have. And if you're new and you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Love to have you here. Let's get into the video. I just got my first pair of Air Force Ones a year ago.
So you could tell how behind I am on that.
But I did get a pair of the grade school Air Force Ones in all white. This is not the first pair of Air Force Ones that I got, but I do have them.
And clearly never wore them.
Because this other pair of Air Force Ones are my favorite, and I actually bought a backup pair of them because I love them so much that I know for a fact that I will be needing them. Now, I only have a couple pairs of Air Force Ones, but these are my favorite, and I wear them all the time when I'm just looking to be casual with the dress or something along the lines of that. I don't want to put too much effort into it, but I want my shoes to look nice and crisp. This is my backup pair. My other pair is pretty gross, and I don't think you want to see them. But these are the Air Force One Jesters, and when these came out, I thought they were so cool. I loved that it had this like tag on the outside, and I had actually first seen them in the lavender color, which I wanted so bad, but I couldn't get it, and it was reselling for way too much online for me to bother with getting it. So I didn't get them, and I ended up getting 2 pairs of these because I actually got them on sale, I think, and wow, are these the best. I love them. They give me a little bit of height because I'm not the tallest, I'm not the shortest, but I'm
not the tallest.
And I like to have a little bit of height. So these are my favorite for sure. These are on ice until I need to wear them, and the other ones literally cannot be worn. I also have them in black, but I'm selling them because I will not wear black Air Force Ones for whatever reason. I don't know why. It just doesn't, not my vibe. I tried, it just doesn't work for me. These I actually found, these Air Force Ones I found in a weird, like off, like super small sneaker store that wasn't really selling a lot of things at the time. And I love pink and hearts, and that's like always a theme that I like. So anything pink with hearts, or any like Valentine's Day collaboration that Nike has, or any shoe brand or any place has, I want to get it. So when I saw these, I was kind of shook because I had never heard of these being a thing, and I really didn't see anything about them online, but they were selling them at Foot Locker at the time, so I ended up buying a pair because I thought they were just so cute. And they're all pink, like baby pastel pink Air Force Ones with a little heart on the, like the little tab on the toe, and the shoelaces have little red Nike check marks. So I love these, and they're patent right here on the mid, but the rest of them is like a really nice leather. I love these, and I wish I wore them on Valentine's Day, but I didn't go anywhere. So these will have to sit for another day, but these are probably one of the coolest and like most underrated Air Force Ones that I've ever seen. I don't know what they were. They're not like, I don't see them anywhere. I tried to look them up too, and like nobody really has any pictures of them or anything, but they're really awesome and I love them a lot, and I would love to wear them for Valentine's Day one year. My last pair of Air Force Ones that I have. This pair was a newer style that was coming out at the time, and I think I bought these around April, and I saw them online. I saw some Instagram girl,
Of course.
this is where everyone looks online. I mean, I don't know, maybe just me, but I saw this Instagram girl wearing these with like a tie-dye color pair of socks, and I was like,
those are so cute. I have to have them immediately.
So I went on Nike and I picked them up, and I think they ended up going up in value a lot, so I'm really glad I got them. But again, I never wore them. But these are the Easter Air Force One Shadows, And I love the colors on this. It's so cool. It is like very retro. I love the pastel colors. It's just so fun. I really love these shoes. I would wear these with like a pair of jean shorts and a t-shirt. I just think these are the coolest Air Force One shadows that I've seen them come out with, because they've come out with a couple of different like colorways, but I really like these and
I will wear them one day.
I think that's the theme of this video. That's what I'm gonna call it. I will wear them one day. So Jordans, I always really liked. Probably about 2 years ago really sparked my interest. I think there was a big trend towards Jordans. I'm not gonna proclaim to know the history or like a significant amount about Jordans. I really like them. I started watching a lot of sneakerhead YouTubers at that time and really got into it more and appreciated a lot of the heritage and a lot of what goes into it. I grew up loving basketball. That's really the only sport that I cared about when I was younger. So it was very exciting for me to get into that. So I couldn't get any Jordan 1s at first. I tried with literally nothing. Couldn't get anything. I ended up getting a couple of mids, grade school mids. I got the Obsidian Jordan 1 mids in grade school. I ended up selling them because I never wore them, but they were really cool. But I got some things after that I thought it was repetitive and I wanted to move on. So my first pair that I say I wore and I liked were the women's Jordan 1 mids, all white with patent, like patent and white. Patent and normal leather white.
I got there eventually.
These are awesome. I wore these to play basketball a couple of times and I really like them. They're very comfortable. Definitely had to break these in a little bit, but I really like how they look. I do have, or I had thicker legs now that I haven't been to the gym in a hot minute. They've disintegrated a little, but they look nice on thicker legs. I wore them with shorts once, which was
Horrible. I'll never do that again.
you have to wear them with pants. For me, at least personally, I will only wear them with pants. I think that that's the only way I can make them look nice, but I really love these. They're really cool, even though they're not really anything sought after. I like the style and I like that eventually I can paint them or whatever and customize them, which I've seen a lot of people do, and I bought the shoe paints for that. So then my next pair that I actually got a matching pair for my mom with these because I thought they were really classic colorway. They're called the Gym Red black and white colorway mids. These are awesome. I love these. These are classic. Haven't worn them yet, obviously.
Because I like them so much.
My mom hasn't either. She wanted to sell hers. I was considering selling mine because they're really cute, but I just never wore them. But I really like this colorway because it's a very easy colorway to style with anything that you have. It's a very neutral colorway. Definitely will need to wear these and will wear these in the future. This is my first pair of like real Jordan 1s that I got and I was so excited. I really am, for whatever reason, or had been for whatever reason for the longest time, so anti getting like resold shoes or shoes from StockX or shoes from Goat or wherever. I wanted to buy them from the store. That's why I have a very limited selection and I don't have like anything crazy. You'll see that changes with the next shoe, or the last shoe, I should say. But these I got and I was so excited that I got these because I got them off the sneakers app and I was like,
Oh my god, I'm so cool that I got these.
they really ended up being not that spectacular, but I've worn them and I really love them. I actually dyed a pair of like low white Nike socks to match these in yellow because I thought it looked really cute when I did it like that. But these are the first class Jordan 1s and they have a little barcode on the back. They have the ticket for Michael Jordan there. I just thought these were really cute. They have like a perforation here. They have a yellow swoop on one side and they have a perforated contrast yellow and white swoop on the other side. They get crinkled really easily because of, I think, the material that's on the shoe. They're not like the best quality, but these are really awesome and I really like them. I've worn them again to go play basketball and I enjoy them. They're very comfortable. Grade school definitely cuts a little bit lower than the other ones. I'm sure you guys know that if you're into sneakers, but these are really awesome and I like them a lot and I will be wearing them eventually when I can go back to play basketball. But this is my only pair of lows. I got these recently. I saw them online. They did like a whole neon release with the lows, and I had wanted a low. I had played with the idea of the, I think it was like an orange accent, or the...
Man, I'm gonna sound stupid.
I don't remember which one it was. I was trying to get lows a while ago, and then I didn't do it because I'm like, oh, will I wear it? Is it gonna look bright on me? I don't know. And then I saw these, and I thought I really need to get these because the materials were cool on this. And again, didn't wear it because it's been so new, and it was during the panini press. But I got these laser blue. These are really awesome, grade school size. All of mine pretty much from Nike are grade school size or a women's size. I haven't bought any men's size. It just makes more sense. They're less money and they're easier to get, so that's why I got them. These are really awesome. They have like almost like a velvet on half of the shoe, and I love this color. I think it's so cool. I have a blue car.
So the theme is that I like blue.
To match the car. Now, this is not the color of my car, but I thought this would be really cool to wear. I am going to wear these this weekend, actually. So I actually will be wearing these. I want to reiterate that, and if I don't wear them, people who are watching this, please call me out. Because I need to wear them. But I love these, and I love that they come with black laces. I think that the blue laces look really, really cool on these though, and these are very comfortable actually. I've tried these on, I've worn them a little bit, other pairs, and I really, really like this style. This is more likely for me to wear because I wear a lot of shorts, dresses, whatever, things that are not like, that need to be worn with a low top shoe, in my opinion. So, love these. Definitely one of my favorite buys recently. And then last but not least, last pair. So this pair is like the most exciting pair that I have, that I own, and I got these from StockX. Now, I never bought from StockX before this, but I felt compelled to buy from StockX for whatever reason, probably because they have the least expensive prices at the time. I bought these probably a year ago, and this was like the first pair that I really got excited about, like once I started getting into shoes, Jordans in particular. And I really wanted to get them, and I was so upset that I missed the release of them that I thought, let me watch and see what happens to them. And at the time that I bought them, they had gone down to like $150, I think, on StockX. And I thought, let me just jump on them and get them. Glad I did, because now they're over $500 for this pair. These are the grade school size 7, and I love these. But again, I will never buy from StockX again. So last time I cut out, we were looking at these. These are my Jordan 1 Obsidian grade school Jordan 1s. And I really liked them at the time. I was like dying for this color. I had seen this release like kind of right around the time that I was really getting into Jordans. So I wanted to pick it up. Picked it up from StockX for 150 bucks at the time, which was really like a good deal. They came from StockX completely creased and had pen marks on them, and well, the pen mark was really small, but they came completely creased, and I was so sad. And when I reached out to them to try and get them to help, because I'm like really sure that this is not the way that they're supposed to come, they were like, oh no, that's like how it comes from Nike.
That is not true.
But whatever, here we are.
So that's why I will not buy from StockX again, because I think that their customer service is absolutely shit, and they clearly don't look at their shoes before they, you know, send them out, or they think that that's acceptable. And I don't think that when the toe box is creased like that, I just think that that's just not right. So anyways, this colorway is really great. I never wore them because I intended on selling them. I tried to wear them once. Like, I thought about it in my head, and I was like,
Yeah, you should wear those.
and then, you know, it obviously didn't happen. But if I were to wear them, it would definitely be with these laces. I think that the contrast of the whole thing looks so nice. And I really think that these are going to actually go up in value, since they just released or like sneak peeked that the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 like triple collaboration, or whatever it is, I'll put a picture here, is coming out, and the colorway is very similar to this. So I have a feeling that these are going to go up more in value. But I would really like to sell them and actually get the mochas. I think that the mochas fit my style a little bit better. While I really love this, I don't have enough that I think would actually match with these But yeah, that's it for my collection right now. Also the pink pigs, which you guys, I'll also link up above. My unboxing finally came, and they came in good condition this time, which is great. And I have 2 other sneakers that are actually coming in from this past weekend. There was a big release of dunks and whatnot on the sneakers app, and I actually scored 2 things, which was very exciting. I normally don't get anything off of the sneakers app. I don't know what happened, but ended up working out, and I will be doing an unboxing of those coming up. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do so, and make sure to stay tuned for that. Hit that bell notification, that way you don't miss my next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!